Hi guys, so a brisket asked me on Instagram how I keep the side of my hair so flat. And this is what we're going to talk about today, so pay attention. Well, there are two ways I do it. If it's longer, I use hairspray. Right now it's pretty short, so I don't need to do hairspray. So use any kind of hair wax or hair mold. I'll link some of my favorites in the video. And this is what I do. I do that, and then I flatten it, just like this. On this side. I separate where the long from the short is, and then I just like put some product in it. But if your sides are longer, then you can just do a hairspray. I kind of like this one. So what I do is hold the hair that I don't want hairspray on and just spray the side and then do this. And it looks tamed. See, it looks flat. Same with this side. Hold the hair that I don't want hairspray on, and then just flatten it. And then they start behaving. And that's how I tame the size of my hair. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Bye, guys.